What's up, YouTube? God Magic, and this is my very first airsoft gun review. This is kind of big. This is called the G36. It is actually my very favorite gun. Whoever's played Call of Duty 4, it's called the G36C. But I believe it's a Heckler and Koch gun, and this airsoft gun is not fully automatic, sadly. It's, you know, spring. Oh, and this is the clip. It holds, you know, about 26 rounds. You can put basically like this on it. You put this on it, it's so you can go like place wherever you want. It's basically about like this. But anyway, this gun shoots about 300 FPS and it's spring, so it's pretty sweet. In real life, it's used by like German Army, the GSG-9. That's all I know of, and it's an awesome heavy machine gun / assault rifle. And my favorite thing you can do is this button. It's like that movie Gamer. Anyway, G3 stock midget gun. Well, G3 guys, what's up? And if you watch this, thank you very much. Goodbye.